Hello America, Mark Kelson here today at Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon to present to you this 2019 Thor 4 Winds 26B Class C motorhome. Let's go inside and see what it has to offer inside. Alright, coming inside this coach. Does not have a slide here in the front, so there's no chance for a faulty slide out mechanism in this coach on the front. But the cool thing about this coach, it is one of the only models that has the couch right here and across from the dinette, and so that allows you to have friends and family over, and you can be sitting across from each other and be conversing and having a good time. That's a key point right there in this coach. You have a huge sink right here in the kitchen, nice set of drawers under here, a little waste basket underneath there, a full stove right here with a 3-burner stove top. You have a microwave up above, and again more cabinetry up here. Coming across here to the other side, it's got a Dometic refrigerator freezer, and right there it is. Really nice. You do have a little pantry area back here with some pull-out drawers here for the larger items. And then of course right here is a wardrobe for all of your hanging clothes and stuff with a whole bank of drawers underneath. Now right here on this side, the bed, which is in a slide out, but it's a very small slide out, is a queen size bed, and this folds up so that when the slide out comes in, it doesn't hit this wall. You do have the windows on either side for ventilation and peering out also, and then the rear exit window, so if you're backing up to the ocean or something like that, you can see it. It's very nice. And it does have a TV right here behind you. So we'll come over here to this door right here and we'll look at the bathroom, which it's very deceiving. It looks like a small area, but when you get in there, that is a huge shower in there and a lot of elbow room, which is needed in that bathroom. Nice lighting with the overhead light up there. That is something in there. A lot of room. Coming up to the front, nice area up here for kids, grandkids, extra guests. A huge TV right there. Looks like about a 40-inch or 42-inch TV right there. Coming into the cockpit, you're looking at these ultra leather seats. You're on the Ford chassis. It's a 305 horsepower Class C. So this thing has all the power you need. It's got a tow haul mode, all of the entertainment stuff you would need up here, backup camera. You got side cameras on this coach that are integrated into the mirrors, and you'll see that when we go outside. But this is just a nice compact unit if you want to get into a lot of different places that you aren't able to get into regularly, you know, state parks and the like. So let's go outside and see what it has to offer. So coming outside, you have beautiful graphics on this. You have the nice rings down here on the tires, your Dometic refrigerator, your furnace right there, grab handle going in. One of the things you have is that nice awning up there. Now that is a automatic awning, so at the touch of a button it comes out or goes in to whatever length you want it to go out. It also has LED lighting. There's a strip right up there that you may or may not see. That is awesome, and it's the full length of this coach. Coming around to the back, one thing I like about this, has a real bumper on it. You do have an 8,000-pound tow hitch on this coach. There's your backup camera up here. Ladder accessing the top so that you can get to your AC and whatever you need to maintain the upper level. Right here, this is up high enough, and this right here opens up to the side. So look at that storage area under there. It's very nice, and it's detailed out with nice accoutrements. Coming up here, you have your water heater. You have an outdoor shower, so if you have a pet or kids and you're down on the beach, you got sand between your toes, you can just hose it off, and that's pretty neat. Right here, you're going to have the generator, which is going to be a 4,000 watt Awning generator. Nice unit. And then your propane tank right there. Beautiful smoky windows on this coach. There's the side cameras that I was talking about that illuminate when you turn your blinker on. On a 350 chassis, E350, This is a great coach for you and your whole family. It sleeps, let's see, 2, 4, 6. It'll sleep 8. So if this is of interest to you, please give me a call. My name is Mark Kelson. My number 541-285-8791 or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.